Motivation. Everybody thinks that motivation is all you need to move forward. That motivation and passion are the only things that you need to move forward. But motivation and passion, those are just the starting thing. That's just the starting point. That's the very beginning. What you need to move forward, what you need to get to you to your dream is that you need to have not only passion, not only motivation, not only inspiration, but you also need to have effort. You need to put forth the effort necessary so that you can reach your goal, so that you can live your dream. Because guess what? Motivation is good. You watch a tape, you listen to me or somebody else and they're talking and they're telling you all this stuff and you're hyped up and you're ready to go. That's great. That's beautiful. But again, remember that's just the beginning. You have to keep that momentum. You have to keep that discipline. You have to keep that effort going so that you can get where it is that you need to get. Because excellence isn't just in the motivation. Excellence is in you actually taking action and doing the things that you need to do, to get you where you need to be based on your dreams, based on your goals. All right. That effort is what gets you up at 4 o'clock in the morning and makes you do what you need to do. That effort is what keeps you from eating stuff that you're not supposed to eat. That effort and that discipline keeps you from not falling off the radar and staying on point, on goal, on vision, and on task. So effort is one of the things that you definitely need to include in your program, in your goals, in your dreams, in your spirit, in the way that you do things so that you can move forward to the next level. So what is that effort? Effort is understanding that the life doesn't necessarily come to those who deserve it. It comes to those who work for it. Yes, you may not have started on first base, second base, third base. As you heard me say before, you may not have even been in the field. You may not have even been in the state. However, if you grind and you work hard enough and you put forth the effort, you will reach your dreams. Again, it may not come tomorrow. It may not come next week. It may not come next month. But that effort, that drive, that pushes you, that thing that tells you that you are going to make it and that no matter what, you're not going to give up on your dreams. You're not going to give up on your goals. You're not going to give up on your why. Your why and the effort that's going to put you there is going to get you where it is that you need to be. Again, what is it that you want out of your life? What is it that you need to get you to the next level? And what are you willing to sacrifice? To every single thing that we say yes to, we also say no to something else. Is what you're saying no to worth it? Is it going to get you where you need to get? Is it helping you or is it hurting you? You have to literally look and remember that all you got on this earth is time and that time is limited. Once it's gone, it's gone. You sleep for an extra 10 minutes, that's 10 minutes is gone. You sleep for an extra hour, that extra hour is gone. You say, I'm going to do it some tomorrow. Well, guess what? Your tomorrow needs to be today. Your tomorrow needs to be today. Because guess what? Living in someday aisle will not serve you. It will not motivate you. It will not generate the goals that you need to generate so that you can live the life that you want to live. Again, which would you rather be? Would you rather be grinding, making somebody else rich, making somebody else wealthy? Or would you rather be on the beach, at a vacation, in the woods, traveling the world, being able to help those that you not only want to help, but that need your help and will appreciate your help? What goals do you want in your life? What dreams do you have that you need to reach and only you can make them happen? Because the only person that really cares is you. The only person that's really going to help you move to that next level is you. Don't get me wrong. There may be other people in your journey that assist or that give you a connection or that give you some type of inside track to what it is that you want to do, but you have to find them. And to find them, you have to look at your association. You have to look at people that have your best interest at heart and actually have the ability to help you move to your goal. Because they're out there. There's people out there that want to help you like nobody's business, but you'll never meet them if your circle is a group of people that are always wanting to take and never willing to give. People that are always complaining about what didn't happen for them, or how it didn't work out for them, or how life isn't fair, or any of that stuff. First off, let me explain to you right now that life is not fair. It's not even close to being fair. All right. I grew up as a project kid. All right. In New York, trying to figure it out, seeing things that would scare the devil out of most people. What I thought was normal, coming to find out was severely abnormal as far as the relationships that I actually saw with other people, as in some of the things that grown-ups did around me, as in some of the things I saw people do to other people, including their friends, including their family. So what I'm saying to you is that you have to build your own family. You need to find yourself people that are going to help you. And if you can't find them, then just do it alone. Do it alone until the right people start to show up. So they start to appear in your life. So you start to show that type of energy that makes people that are going to help you and want to help you want to help you, or have the ability to help you to want to help you. Because again, there's a lot of things out there, but there's also a lot of people that are scammers, a whole lot of people that are full of caca. But again, what is it that you want? And understand you're going to have some ups and downs. All right. Sometimes you're going to feel as though you're dragged through the dirt, dragged through the mud, treated unfairly, all of that. I understand. I feel you. But again, what is it that you want and what are you willing to do to reach those goals? What are you willing to do to live your dream, not somebody else's dream? All right. When you go into a large store, like let's say a Walmart or one of those places, that was somebody else's dream. In some cases, somebody that didn't have anything, but they were able to actually make it to where they were actually able to grow that business and live the life that they live. In some cases, they may not have even enjoyed it. And when I say enjoy it, I mean they may not have lived long enough to enjoy the fruits of their labor, but their ancestors did. All right. They were able to leave a legacy. Whether people are going to appreciate that legacy or not, that's not your call nor mine. However, every man and every woman should want to leave a legacy. Not only live a legacy and be the hero, but also be able to help those that can't help themselves or that have the talent, the skills, and all of that, but don't get the opportunity. This is Mr. Z Inspires. Thank you very much, and you guys have a great rest of your day. Peace.